Hey, this is Tony the RBDJ, and today we're going to be installing the boom mat sound deadening insulation in our 2025 Jeep Gladiator for the freedom panels and the hard top in the back. So what I did first is take the bag out of the box, and you have all of your sound deadening insulation in a bag that are letter labeled, and your instructions that show you which letter to use with which panel. So the first step was to clean the inside of the freedom panels with alcohol, which I already have done. And now we have laid out all of the strips that we need for the two freedom panels, and then the rest of that is for the back. So I've laid one out, and these are an inch thick. These are thicker than most of your other brands out there, like Hot Heads, even the Mopar brand. The only difference is that it doesn't have the hard cardboard backing on it. It's all insulation, but it is a thicker insulation, and it also serves as sound deadening, which people say works really well with the stereo system. So what we're going to do first is we are going to install the filler strips into the low-lying areas of the freedom panel. A portion of the paper from the actual top panel itself, and just lay it down and just peel the paper away as you lay it down. And then peel away as you lay it down. Just like that. And then press down firmly. And that is one panel. So now that we have the one side done, we're going to go ahead and get the other side down. Then when we come back, we'll show you what they both look like. Alright, so this is what they look like when both sides are done. The filler panels are in, and the main panel is in. Covered up my All Roads Taken badges a little bit, but that's okay. I know they're there. I know where we've been and where we're going. So now we're going to move on to the back portion of the truck. And that's what all of this is for the back part of the truck. So I'll be back. Alright, so we are not taking this bad boy off, even though we could, because this bad boy is heavy and I can't lift anything that heavy anymore. So we're doing this upside down
and backwards.
So what we're going to do first is, just like the front, we're going to put on the filler panels. This single one goes right here, just like that. Of course the other way around, but I'm just showing you. Okay, and then these in here go in the ribs and the indentations in here. So when we get those put up, we'll be back. So what we're doing now is putting the filler panel pieces in, just like that. So because we didn't take the hard top off, came up with a little hack. I'm gonna take a long screwdriver and use the handle to push this back. Why, you ask, I'm not doing this from the other side, is because I can see what I need to see better on this side than I can on where Jim is standing. So, alright, so the filler panel pieces are stuck in. And when we get the big piece stuck in, we'll be back with you. Alright, the last two pieces that have to go in is this filler piece, which goes right here, and then on top of that is going to go our sound deadening up here, behind here, and across the top, like that. And then we will show you the finished product. And there you have it. Goes all the way up and across there. And that's what the top looks like.
Yay.
It's a little bunched up, but that's where we...
Sorry, I can't hear it. It sounds being deadened.
And that's what it looks like. And I already showed you the other panels. We still have the panels off the front of the truck. It's a topless Jeep.
So if you want to roll up dollar bills and stick it in the grill, it's okay.
Oh my. But anyway, thanks for watching. What do you have to say?
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.